Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. It's named Crochet Cove for a reason, which means we'll be talking about crochet, but mainly the reason why I've started this YouTube channel is because I want to offer a free online course which is beginner friendly for anyone or anybody wherever you are in this world who wants to learn how to crochet. So if you really want to do something that will occupy your time and you like to be creative or making things, this is the right video for you. This is the right thing for you to be watching at this time. So let's not even waste any time and we begin with what we'll be doing through this YouTube channel or what you'll be accessing. So I will start with my story so that you guys can be intrigued on the reason why you can start to even crochet. So actually I started this crochet journey in 2022. I was in my second year of university and I actually found that I had a lot of time and had nothing to do. So I decided, why not learn any craft or any art, which I started with crochet. I had a roommate who was crocheting, so I decided to even learn from her. She was a very friendly person to teach me how, but even I used YouTube videos. But I had a problem that there was no one who could show you from the beginning what you really need or how you can even learn on your own. So I made mistakes and everything, but this video is right here for you so that you do not go through those mistakes. And do not worry, even if you've never seen a yarn or even the tools I'm going to show you right here, you can actually start and know how to crochet on your own. So what you'll be getting from this course, this is just the introduction. So from the course, you learn about the basic materials that you need for you to crochet, which are very affordable for everyone around the world. And you also learn about different crochet stitches that you can use and actually learn and practice through time. So do not worry, we'll be practicing together. I'll be giving you minutes so that you can even have enough time for you to practice. And make sure you leave in the comments if you've already started to crochet or wherever you are in the world so that we can actually connect. So without further ado, let me show you the basic materials that you need and then we'll continue with the course as well. So first of all, crochet is actually it's an art or crafting where you use yarn and what we call a hook, and then you make different stitches or even different stitches, and then those stitches you can make them all together, combine and make, it can be an outfit, it can be a bag, a scarf, or any kind of material which is actually usable. So you might have seen people wearing things which are knitted or let's say crochet, but you do not know how to make it. So now you can actually learn the basic. So the thing that you need, first of all, is yarn. It can be acrylic yarn, but the one I have right here, it's actually acrylic yarn. It can be acrylic yarn, it can be cotton yarn. I'll be putting the pictures here so you can actually learn. So cotton yarn and then even chunky yarn if you want to make the results faster. And there are different types of hooks. Here I'm holding one hook. You can see from the video it has kind of a nook so that you'll be able to be weaving in the ends, even crocheting different stitches. And also for you to finish up your project or whatever you're making, you'll be needing a scissor as well. Just a normal scissor you can get even from any stationery, but small scissors are preferable so that you can be cutting the yarn when you're done. We'll be going through the details later. And also this needle, it's called a darning needle. Most people, you can get it from any tailoring shop or where they sell any yarn or even wool as in itself, where you can be using it to weave in the remaining ends. So as you can see, the main ones, if you're beginning, you need just yarn, a ball of yarn, whether it's acrylic, cotton or chunky. a ball of yarn, a hook, any kind of hook, and even scissors. So you see that it's very affordable. Going on to continue, also for yarn there are different sizes depending on the hook, but for those ones we'll go further into details in the following video. So make sure you like and subscribe and even share for anyone who wants to learn actually something that's going to be productive for them. Just share this so that we can learn together. For the next episode, we'll be starting right away. Make sure you leave a comment. Deep down in the comment section and tell me what do you think of this project, and if you've already been crocheting, I'll be happy to connect. Thank you. Bye.